Okay, I am with Barbara's husband, Massimo, and we're on their front porch. Here we go. And they're looking to come to the brick wall underneath the header here and between the posts to right about where he's standing. So we'll get some measurements quick of that. And so we are 7'9". Can we see that? 7'9" between those posts. And error. Okay. Okay, let's try. Let's go back this way. 8'2", I believe. $7.10. So we are 7.9 the one direction and 7.10 the other. And then we're going to come out here to right in here somewhere.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're going to be 3'3". Can you see that? 3'3". All right. And we are about 3'7". So 3'7", 3'3", 7'10", and 7'9". And for height, we are 7 foot. So 7 foot high. And he said they want a knee wall at the bottom, glass in between.
Something like this, you know?
Okay. Here, let me grab my bag here again. All right.
Something like this.
Ah, okay.
So, basically, a knee wall, little bit higher, like this, and the windows, simple windows like this.
Okay, just fixed panes or operable that you can
Let's
open
see
them?
both.
Okay.
Solution.
All right. Okay. Super.